guys, welcome to our channel. Aliexpress is a good choice for beginners to start dropshipping, especially convenient for testing winning products for its easy-to-use, mass product listings and vendors, as well as quick processing. But when you are scaling up with your business, Aliexpress seems not so user-friendly. So in today's video, I am going to compare Aliexpress with CJ Dropshipping in many aspects, from products, services, to shipping and the like. As a competitor of Aliexpress, I am not going to talk negatively about Aliexpress and boost CJ Dropshipping. I am going to compare some obvious differences between them so you can have a comprehensive understanding of these two dropshipping providers, then decide whether to choose one of them according to your needs. Okay, no more talking, let's jump right into the point. There are many differences between Aliexpress and CJ Dropshipping, but these differences majorly result from a fundamental difference between these two platforms. Aliexpress is an international retail platform. Vendors build a store on Aliexpress and selling to customers worldwide. Most of the vendors and products are from China, so they have a comparative advantage in product price. The orders are processed by different vendors. Aliexpress is not involved in the fulfillment. CJ Dropshipping is a platform integrated with product sourcing, order processing, and shipping fulfillment. It's like a combination of Aliexpress and Overload. Dropshippers list or connect the products on CJ to their stores, then CJ draws orders from their stores and take care of everything. Warehouse service, photo or video taking, POD, COD, affiliate, and API support and the like are all available. CJ is a one-stop service platform covering all of the services related to dropshipping business. There are more than 2.5 billion product listings on Aliexpress, while the number on CJ is only hundreds of thousands, far falls behind Aliexpress. Why the number differs so greatly? Well, the reason is there are more than 8.7 million sellers on Aliexpress according to their annual report of 2019. All of the products are posted and maintained by the sellers. In contrast, the products on CJ are all posted by CJ team. We have limited staffs, so we have to pick trending products to post and sourcing products by the request of our users. In this aspect, Aliexpress has an overwhelming advantage over CJ Dropshipping, so Aliexpress is an undisputed wonderful platform to find winning products and test orders at the very beginning of your business. But when you have found a winning product and want to scale up, Aliexpress is no longer a good choice for you. There are several reasons why Aliexpress is not good for scaling up. I will analyze in the coming parts. There are many e-commerce runners who began with Aliexpress and turned to us to scale up. To cover the weakness, CJ sets a sourcing service for users to post sourcing requests once they have winning products. And CJ is setting about supplier plan. Suppliers are about to post products on CJ. Once this feature is launched, the product listings of CJ could be competitive to Aliexpress. The system of Aliexpress is quite simple because it's just a platform for customers to find and buy products, like you create an account and buy stuff on Amazon or eBay, so it is quite easy to start with Aliexpress. While the system of CJ, to be honest, is much more complicated because we combine the functions of Aliexpress and Overload and go further than they can do. Once you have set the features you need in place, you are able to save tons of time and energy. To make things easier for new users, we've made a tutorial video for every feature. You can check the playlist here. And we are going to rebuild CJ system in the coming month to make CJ system more easy and simple to use. Both of Aliexpress and CJ Dropshipping request no setup fee nor monthly fee, but the product price on CJ is usually lower than Aliexpress for the same item. Why CJ is able to provide a more competitive price? Most stores owned by individuals, couples, or brothers on Aliexpress, they are not able to provide the primary source of products. Manufacturers who are able to provide the most competitive price only retail to native people or sell on Alibaba, which is a wholesale platform known as a famous B2B solution. The vendors on Aliexpress have to buy inventory from manufacturers or dealers, make a profit through arbitrage. In the meanwhile, they have to pay an annual fee, showcase fee, and pay for advertisement fee to Aliexpress if they want their products or store seen by customers. Unlike Aliexpress, CJ Dropshipping is run by CJ team. From platform maintaining to product delivery, we make overall arrangements of every section to cut down the operational cost. Therefore, we can provide a more competitive price for our customers. Apart from product price, shipping could be the most important part of dropshipping, which will make or break your business. You will find that shipping fees shown on Aliexpress are usually much cheaper than CJ Dropshipping. Some even provide free delivery. But do you think that there is anything really free except sunshine and breeze? Of course not. The price is included in the product price. That's another reason why Aliexpress always price higher than CJ Dropshipping. Let's compare the shipping fees for a same product from the two platforms. As a knife sharpener, the cost of the former three carriers on Aliexpress are cheaper than CJ Packet, which is the best choice on CJ. But when you pay attention to the estimated delivery, you will see that the delivery time could be more than a month, while CJ Packet takes 5 to 15 days. When it comes to faster delivery, the costs are much more expensive than those on CJ. And now it is a special period of time that shipping fees are rising horribly. Under normal circumstances, CJ is more competitive in shipping fees and the time of delivery. Sometimes we receive complaints, negative comments because of shipping delays. And because what is highlighted are usually negative comments, so it is easy to leave a poor impression about CJ for those who are about to work with CJ. CJ Dropshipping is doing very bad in shipping. I was almost believed that we did a really bad job until I checked delivery time on our ERP system, and here is a screenshot of the recent delivery records shipped out from our e-warehouse. And I have translated into English. It is very clear that most of the delivery time is in 10 days. I checked the latest 200 records, and there's one record that takes 45 days by DHL official. Under normal conditions, DHL official is very fast. No one expects delays, but sometimes unanticipated things happen. Sometimes it is because of the customs clearance, sometimes it delays due to the high season. There could be something that we can't totally take under control, just like the fierce increasing shipping fees due to COVID-19. Some complain like, your shipping fees are ridiculously high. But we do not want to increase the shipping fees, which will add burden to our clients and we are risking losing them. However, we have no choice because the carriers increase their fees. At this point, we are pleading for your understanding. Generally speaking, you will not sell only one product in your store, right? Most dropshippers are marketing on a niche, usually tens to hundreds of products. Let's say a customer shops on your store and places an order contains 3 items. What would happen if these 3 items are from 3 vendors on Aliexpress? Your customers will receive 3 parcels at different times. Your buyers will not be happy if they place one bulk order, but the products come from different packages and dates. They will open disputes once they receive the first order because they might think the order is short. By contrast, CJ combines orders for you, puts different products into one parcel. It will save your time, shipping cost, and the customer will be very happy with that. When you have a problem with orders, you won't need to contact different vendors. CJ is only one after-sale party you need to deal with. And what you can expect more? CJ can do customized package for you. You can have your orders packed with the unique package printed with your logo, image, or text. And there is a simpler way. You can leave a sentence or greeting for your customer on the mailbag, which will differentiate you from other sellers and leave a strong impression to your customers. This service requires no MOQ. CJ can do it for you for every order. When checking out on CJ, you will see 8 common payment ways covering more than 200 countries, and CJ also provides COD for authorized clients. And from now on to June 30th, you can get 2% bonus as long as you charge CJ Wallet via Payoneer over $10 or euros. For Aliexpress, because you are paying to vendors, so the payment methods differ from store to store. And many don't support PayPal, which is now a very important payment way in Western countries. And sometimes Aliexpress will reject your payments when you place a lot of orders for security reasons or system error. We don't need to explain how much this can trouble, bring your business to a screeching halt, causing refund requests from angry customers. We can't deny that Aliexpress did a much better job in enriching the product details, the reason I have explained on the product listings part. CJ has limited steps to enrich the product details. But if clients require, CJ will enrich the details for specified items. But there is a splendid service provided by CJ to cover this shortcoming: video and picture shooting service. You can send a request to make unique videos or pictures for your product, which could be promote your competitive force. Most vendors on Aliexpress have no warehouse or just store products in their homes, so they can only keep a very low inventory. Some big vendors may have their warehouses, but it's a very small part. As for CJ Dropshipping, currently there are 2 warehouses in China, 2 in the US, 1 in Thailand, 1 in Germany, and warehouses in Indonesia, UK, and France are about to launch. As for US warehouse, if you buy a product from the US warehouse, it could be delivered to your customer in 2 to 5 days via USPS Plus. And if you have winning products in your hands, you can buy a private inventory to our warehouses, which means a faster processing time and a guaranteed inventory. And no storage fee will be charged. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys have got informative information from this video. And do not forget to subscribe to us here so you will not miss our updates. And watch more relative videos here. And what topics you are looking forward to watching on the coming videos, leave a comment below to let us know. And do not forget to like. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day.